best way to describe Sonia is she's the most kind, selfless, caring person.
She's got so much compassion for people. She'll always put everybody before herself.
She's genuine. She's a very genuine and caring individual. She cares about everyone, and that really shines out of Sonia as one of her probably best qualities.
Jug is an amazing person.
Never met anyone with such a pure heart. He's kind, hardworking, thoughtful. I love you more than anyone in the world. I don't think I've ever felt this way about anyone, and I'm so appreciative of everything that you do and how you've supported me in the last year and the last 3 months when things have been really difficult. I don't think I'll ever be able to put into words how much you meant to me and how much it's meant to my family and my dad.
Tough times, hard times. To lose your mum and then to lose your dad, he was a genuinely happy guy.
I think it's going to be really hard because after Usha passed away, I threw myself into Sonia and just focused on her, bringing her up and, you know, doing the right thing by her.
It's going to be hard to let go, if I'm really honest. But equally, I know some parents get really upset when kids leave home or they get married. I actually always feel proud. Although it's going to be sad, I think the feelings of being proud are going to outweigh any other feelings.